last night, I cleaned everything in the coffee station and in the kitchen. So brought these out, cleaned out all of the machines, and also reorganized this little corner. Hi guys, it's Monday, November 28th, and I'm filming this on my brand new phone. I got the iPhone 14, and I'm not gonna lie, I love this new camera. I also don't love it because look at how much it truly shows. Wow, it's almost too good. Apple, you're getting too good. You don't need to show, wow. But honestly, I do love the phone. I got the lavender lilac color. This is also the front camera, which is why I keep looking over here because I'm so shocked how good it is compared to my old phone. But yeah, this is the front camera, which is kind of cool because it's such good quality even at the front camera. Today, I had a cancellation in the morning and I teach from 3:15 until 11 tonight. So I have 3:15 to 4:15, 5 o'clock till 8 o'clock, and then 10:30 until whenever we're done rehearsing because one of the students that I'm teaching is actually on tour in Japan. And I'm gonna take my time with that honestly because I want them to perform their best tonight. I'm gonna go take Stinky Dog for WALK. I'm also going to do a ballet class this morning since I have so much free time, and I'm also going to be filming a new video for my YouTube channel. Comment down below guys if I should do Vlogmas. I'm kind of tempted, but I know how exhausting and tiring it would be. I also don't have the most free time, but I have more free time than I did in the summer, so I feel like I could make it work. But the vlogs would be really short. They'd be like 5 to 10 minutes. They wouldn't be the normal like 20-minute vlogs, even though lately I haven't been doing 20-minute vlogs. So yeah, comment down below what I should do for Christmas, if I should just keep doing my thing or if I should try Vlogmas. I'm definitely gonna do Vlogmas on TikTok though, because that's a little bit easier to do the shorter form content and vertical content than it is to do the whole YouTube stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go take Elsa on a walk. And Steve's away today too. He's actually at his brother's house. World of Warcraft came out. At least the new one that I know of. And that's why he's away, because they planned this day around World of Warcraft to try it out. Nerds. Just kidding. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go. So in my last vlog, I mentioned it was Black Friday and I wanted to get some stuff from Lululemon, and I did. These are the pants that I got from Lululemon. I got the Dance Studio pant. I got them in a size 4. They fit in a size, no wait, are these size 2? I think these are size 2. I got them in a size 0 and they fit, but every time I would do a plie, they would like camel toe, which wasn't a cute look. So I went with the size a little bit bigger, and I feel like they're just a little bit more of a comfier fit. This is what they look like. We are ready for our walk. There we go. Just got back from our walk. I'm brushing my hair out because it always gets so tangled in the wind. Also, my hair is so long, guys. It's almost to my waist. It is to my waist. I don't know if you can see in this angle, but yeah, I don't know what else to do with my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna keep growing it or if I should cut it. I know I should definitely give it a little bit of a spruce up, like just a little trim at least, but I kind of like the long length. I don't know, I like the look of really, really long hair right now. I like it. So I'm gonna go do a ballet class right now, and then I have a few classes this afternoon I'm gonna prep for. I'm also going to film a video that's going up on my YouTube channel on December 1st, and that's pretty much my morning. Very exciting. We went for like an hour-long walk and my face is freezing cold, which I love the feeling of. I just feel like whenever I'm cold and my face gets cold, it always makes my skin a little bit better, a little bit smoother. I don't know if there's any science behind that. Someone tell me in the comments down below. I'm gonna go get changed for ballet class.
out from the back of your legs, up and back. There. Keep lengthening.